This Red Dog sequence is an excursion diversion to our regular virtual Yellowstone tours. You'll remember on a previous video I mentioned, oh look at that, we have some what we call red dogs over there. You can see the baby buffalo. We call them red dogs, although they are starting to lose some of their red color. We're at the Nez Perce Creek, which you'll recall I mentioned before on our trip between Madison Junction and Old Faithful. It's about 7:45, 8 o'clock in the morning. This is really a beautiful time to be out. Can you see that buffalo over there is wearing a collar so that scientists in the park are able to monitor, amongst other things, the movement of the buffalo. Look, there's a little red dog feeding. And we can see there's some more on the other side of the Nez Perce Creek. And here's one strolling across the road. Always keep your eyes open when you're around buffalo. They're very unpredictable. You need to stay about 25 yards away from them. That one over there looks a lot younger than the others, doesn't it? I wonder if it was born more recently. It looks a lot smaller than the others. Pretty sweet. Look, that one next to the river, curled up underneath its mother's head. Another one feeding. That baby over there is still feeding. Notice the scraggly nature of the buffalo's coat. They're losing their heavier, thicker winter fur. And over there, that one is still feeding. Although maybe mom's had enough. Thanks for checking out our virtual Yellowstone tour. This has been an excursion diversion to our longer segments. The best time to see Yellowstone's red dogs is in the spring, starting in early May. If you enjoy our videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.